Hi, good morning to all of you, and have a great, wonderful day to you all. So, you're the most welcome these sessions, Awesome Blossom English Learner. So, today I want to ask you one question to everyone. That question is why why do you want learn English language? Why everyone wants to speak in English? What is the reason behind that? Obviously, we are learning English skills so that we also could make strong our pillars. We are educated, but still we are actually lose our confidence everywhere at any cost. Why? What is the reason behind that? Because we don't know how to speak in English, and that's why our educations, our degrees, our everything, our knowledge as well are little bit without English not too much effective. But if we will know how to speak in English, definitely it's really amazing. Just like as a boon, our educations or our talent, everything is perfect with English speaking. But it's really important to know how to speak in English. Why? Because of, I just tell you one thing. Actually, a lot of people also asking to me that Richa ma'am, could you please tell me, like it's really very necessary to use the vocabulary while speaking in English. We also can speak simple way. We also can express our thoughts, whatever we want to say. Of course, we also can say in simple way. So it's really necessary to learn new vocabulary, fascinate words, advanced structure, advanced English communications. It's really very necessary. So I just tell you one thing. Actually, it's not necessary, but yeah, it's really useful and important. Why? Because of I also speak so simple. Because of I also can share my thoughts to everyone. I also can convey my message, what I want to share with you, what I want to tell you about anything. Because I'm also not too good, but yeah, I'm also trying to learn new vocabularies and idioms, phrases, new structure in advance, and that's why I'm sharing with you my thoughts, my mental exercise, and like nowadays what we are feeling. So let's get started. Why I'm describing today's things. So actually all bodies can speak in English, but in a simple way. Okay, but why I'm saying it's too much important and really necessary to use the new fancy vocabulary? Because suppose why you are learning English skills. Obviously you are learning English skills, job opportunities. You also can get a really very dashing salary. You also can get a really very amazing job in foreign country as well. You also can grow your business, whatever you want. And why do you want to grow your business? So that of course you also can make relations with the foreigner as well, so that you also can be a familiar while business. Okay, so for the things I want to say, if you are not comfortable with them to speak in English, suppose you are dealing, okay, but you are speaking so simple, okay, and foreigner also speaking with really very good skills because they are native speaker. But for the things, can you think while the dealing time you also can lose your confidence because of you don't know what kind of vocabulary they are using, but you don't know what is the meaning of that vocabulary, what is the meaning of advanced structure. So that you also can be little bit confused, and that's why you are not able to capture actually their target. You are not able to actually their thoughts, and that's why sometimes you also can face a lot, you also can face a big problem because of new words, fascinate words, advanced structure in English, so that of course you also can lose your confidence. So for that things, actually I want to away to everyone, because I really so much care to you all, really to you all. So for that things, if you want to be confident while the dealing time, while the interview time, for that things, it's really very necessary, really important to learn new structure, advanced English. But in a beginning of time, if you are a beginner like me, so of course in a beginning of time, you don't have need to focus on your grammar structure, advanced structure, fancy words, new idioms, phrases. No, not at all. In a beginning of time, you don't have need to focus on that things. Just focus on the English skills. Just focus on the speaking. Whatever you are speaking, just speak. Don't be things people laughing on you, pulling your back, teasing to you, and maybe they also can laugh on you. Sometimes it's happened with me as well. When I just upload the video, a lot of people also comment me, and they also telling to me, ma'am, your pronunciation is too bad. Why you are here? And that's why. So it's not mean that I just escape my target. I just escape my skill. I just escape my speaking. I just escape my videos. No, because thing is that if I will do that, definitely I cannot proceed my experience. I cannot proceed my confidence. I cannot share with you all that if I will escape, definitely I will be not able to share with you. I will not able to push up to you all that don't worry. Don't worry. People can laugh on you. People can tease on you. People so much making fun on you. But it's mentality of the people, because at least you are trying. Means you are trying. Means what you are doing. Means you are doing to learn really very good skills. You are a learner like me. So don't be think about the people. If people disrespect you, if people will not care to you, if people will really very kicking to you, don't be think. Just go on and just try to do that. If you will not to try, definitely you cannot stand in your life. You can never stand in your life. But don't underestimate to those people also telling to you that your pronunciation is too bad, you are speaking too bad, your fluency too bad, your words not good, your English so simple. Don't be think about the people. But don't be focused on the evil things, criticizing. Don't be focused. Just focus on your practice, and just memorize those words which people say to you. For that things, you also can put up in your mind, and after some time you also could work out on your lacking of point. You also can work out on your fascinate words, so that of course you also can learn. If you will think that simple English is enough, no, I will not suggest to anyone simple English is enough. Because if we want to learn English communications, because it's not our language, it's not our native language, it is a foreign language. For that things, you have to learn very confidently. You have to learn for every side, not only and only by the reading sections, by the speaking sections. No, I will not suggest to anyone. Please, you will focus on all skills. All skills means writing sections, reading sections, speaking sections, and main thing is that on the grammar structure. Just think, sometimes I also speak too much wrong because of grammar. So if you can capture my mistakes definitely, definitely it's mean you are lacking of the grammar. So I will suggest to everyone, please just focus on the grammar sections, so that of course you also can be really very confident, and you also can be very fluent when you just on the stage, because you know very well how to speak in English with the grammar. So for the things, at least you have to know a little bit knowledge of grammar. It's not matter while the speaking time, but it's really very effective when you just speak in English. At the time while speaking time, grammar is reflected by the words, by the structure of the sentence. That's why I'm saying to you, grammar is really important. If you want, you know, by the English, you also can travel everywhere. You also can travel, you know, in the world. But how? Is it possible that you are feeling starving while the traveling time? You also can say that I'm so much feeling starving. I want to eat like this. I want to take water. But how? If you don't know English, how to say that what you want? You are feeling so much exhausted, or you want to love to anyone, and you also want to go on the date with everyone. Oh my god, with anyone. So for that things, if you don't know really very advanced structure of English, it's really very hardly for you to survive in the world while the traveling time. So that's what I'm saying to you all, please just concentrations on the grammar structure. In a beginning of time, no necessary to focus on skills, but it is really very necessary after some time. Okay, and now I just talk about the culture, confidence, grow your skills. Why English? By English, you also can grow your confidence. To be honest, if you don't know how to speak in English, if you don't know, you have really great knowledge of the science, history, chemistry, everything. Okay, and you know how to manage all things, how to manage home as well, and you are a home manager, but you don't know how to speak English. Really, sometimes you know what happened, like husband's friends, husband's colleague, also like your husband also invited for a lunch, and your husband and your husband's friends also come at your home for lunch, and they all are speaking in English, but you don't know speak English, how to speak in English. And in this case, it's really very hurting. We cannot express our feeling. We cannot say any kind of thing. We are not able to speak even single word in English, and that's why we are really talented, but all thing is in front of English speaking are really useless. And that's why sometimes a lot of persons will lose the confidence, so much embarrassing their self just because of English communications. So for that things, if you want to be to yourself as a confidence mode, so definitely just trying to speak really very confidently, grow your skills, because nowadays everything is in English. That's why we are learning English, and that's why we also can be sure what is the right actually message. We also can be sure while the reading sections. So for the things what you want, you just try to focus with me in advanced English language. Okay, and now I just tell you really very important thing, that if you know how to speak in English, if you know really very in advance in English, definitely I gonna promise to you, definitely you're really familiar, you're really familiar with the science of subject, and by that things you also can grow your knowledge, you also can grow your science skills as well really easily. You also can be so much familiar with the science. If you are interested in science, but you don't know how to speak English, you don't know what is the writing here, how to read. I'm reading but I'm not getting what is the writing here. So for that things, your interest is really zero, because you are not getting, but you know very well, you can understand English. So definitely you really be familiar with the science. This is the magical trick, I can say. So now you got it, why we are learning English. We also learning English in the world. We want to visit the world. We want to go to the foreigner. We want to interact with the foreigners. We also want to make friends as well. We also want to interact with the foreigner relative as well. But somehow when the foreigner also come at our house, at the time we are not able to speak in English. We also trying some words, but for that things we really lose the confidence, and that's why we also think they are really very smarter, we are nothing. So for that things, if you want to give yourself value, importance, respect, definitely just show be a confidence. Just try to be a more and more confidence. How? Just concern on the English communications, not a simple. Just try to be more confident, just try to be advanced, and just try to be focused on all skills: grammar skills, passionate word, idioms, phrases, new structure of the grammar sections, advanced English as well. I just give you example. Suppose, awesome. Richa, your speech so awesome. But you also can say, wow, marvelous. That's lit your speech. Did you get that? That we also can say in simple, but when we also speak really very attractive and definitely really amazing word. So just try to be more confident and just try to think why we are learning English skills. We are not learning English skills only and only for the parents, for the children. We are learning English skills just because of we also can be a professionally, not a familiar. Like we also like why we are learning English. What is the point? What's the point there? Point is there only and only that we can speak with the parents, with the family, with the children, with the neighbor friend. We also can speak native language. What is the point to learn English skills? Point is that we want to be professionally. So for the professionally, you have to focus, you have to concern on all skills in advance, and that's why we are learning English skills. So for that things, you have to do practice from today, and this is your holiday homework. Yes, because of actually I didn't upload even single video last, I can say previous 3 days, because you didn't ask me, Richa, how are you? Seriously, it's really very bad. You didn't ask me even singers, because I promised to everyone that I will upload my videos on daily basis. But I didn't upload my videos from 3 days. But no one will ask me. No one asked me, Richa, where are you? Are you happy or not? Are you fine or not? So thing is that actually I have too much ear ache, and that's why I was not able to speak even single word. So for the things, what happened? I didn't make my videos previous 3 days. So it's okay. I now got that you are giving to me so much importance or not, but I got it. It's okay, my dear friends, it's okay. But I know that I will not skip my videos, because I really love you all. I really love you so much. I really respect you all. I really so much respect your passion as well, and that's why I will upload the video on daily basis. Thank you so much for that things. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe.